And if you didn't know, now you do. So you can never say I didn't tell you. Smooth, every time I rock I get loose. Do your thing, boy. Bro, you know I gets down. 29 amps in the hoop-dee-hoo. Shooting hoops at the park in my dress shoes. Fools tryna stick me, they still getting schooled. Watch me now, cause you don't wanna miss. The next line I spit hits hard like a brick. That hurt, didn't it?
No.
Oh, here's another one. There you go, live and direct, straight from the soul. Last month. Knock, knock, hello, who is it? Who is it? The life I lead, that be my only image.
It's well.
Back again to handle business, staying out of trouble. Scandals and mischief, you're about to bear witness as I beat down a grizzly at the beach with my dogs to play fetch and frisbee. Running tracks, watch my tongue flap. Only one wearing boots in PE class. Package should stay fresh.
That old school feel.
Leaving competition way out in left field.
Hello everybody, check out the crew. It's Act 29 and we got to get loose. We wanted to take time to introduce, cause most sure don't know who's who. We got Braille, we got soul. What, Omega Y. Yeah, we doing this so y'all can see clear. Clap your hands, it's Braille Rizio. See Mr. T up in my video. Beware a dog, I'm a bad man. Everybody clear the floor when I'm dancing. You can catch R&S, sleeping in Soul's house.
Braille on the floor,
Omega on the couch, take a walk in my shoes. They smell like fish. If you wanna come kick it, you can wash my dishes, walk my dog, or wash my clothes. Here's some socks I wore 4 days in a row. Sleeping in the studio 6 days straight, making these beats while soul lifts weights.
hello, hello, it's Mr. Watson on stakeout for usual suspects with Magnum PI. I ordinarily mimic voice tones, generating character traits, sings whenever clone. The fresh lad with laptop, New Balance, no shell top, always with a beanie or cap.
Covering your bald spot.
Hey yo, Braille, you're making me laugh. Sad but true, we've gone 4 days without a bath, unashamed. Depicting our recording process, we've gotten food from women despite us smelling excess. Hey yo, so can I kick it?
Man, yes you can.
But let's let it be known that this joint here is the jam.
Hello everybody, check out